Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy guitar tutorial. And today we're going to be learning about the song Stay by KID LAROI featuring Justin Bieber. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thanks to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers when it comes to this guitar tutorial. The guy asked me to make this guitar tutorial based on the drunk version of Justin Bieber when it comes to him singing this song. But the structure kind of remains the same. It's just that how he attacks this song that's different. So that said, I'm just going to be teaching this to you guys based on the original audio of this song so that more of you guys will be able to follow. Before we begin, please do not forget to leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below, as well as comment down any songs that you want me to teach next. And you will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. So for the chords that we're going to be playing for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. Yep, there's just going to be 4 of them. First up is going to be the F sharp major chord, which is going to be like this. Yep, that's going to be 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, with a bar on the 2nd fret using our index finger from the lower E string down to the high E string. Next up is going to be the G sharp major chord, which is going to be like this. Yep, same thing, just moving this chord shape from the 2nd fret down to the 4th fret. Yep. Next up is going to be the A sharp minor chord. It's going to be like this. Yep. Basically just removing this middle finger of the chord shape right here for the major chords. Yep, just like that. That's going to be 6, 8, 8, 6, 6, 6. Yep, very simple. Once again, using our index finger to bar the 6th fret from the lower E string down to the high E string. Yep, that's going to be 6, 8, 8, 6, 6, 6. And lastly, it's going to be the F minor chord, which is going to be this one right here. Yep, basically just moving this chord shape from the 6th fret up to the 1st fret. That's going to be 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, then 1. Yep, once more. 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, then 1. Yep, so all in all, we've got F sharp major chord, G sharp major chord, A sharp minor chord. That's going to be the F minor chord. Yep, just like that. And as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, just going to be like this. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Yep, just like that. Down, down, up, down, up. If you prefer using your fingers, I recommend this part of your index finger for the down strum and this part of your thumb for the up strum. Yep, so that's going to be down, down, up, down, up. And as for your pick, it's going to be much more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. Yep, once more, it's going to be down, down, up, down, up. And with that said, the entire strumming pattern is going to be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. And as for the chord progression for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep. First up is going to be the F sharp major chord for 4 counts, which is going to be like this. Yep. Then the G sharp major chord for 4 counts. That's going to be the A sharp minor chord for 4 counts. Then it's going to be the F minor chord for 4 counts. Yep, then after that, basically you're just going to be repeating that entire chord progression for a total of 24 repetitions. And that's going to be your song basically from start to finish. So once again, F sharp major chord for 4 counts, G sharp major chord, just like that basically. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I do the same thing, I told you that I never would. Told you I'd change, even when I thought I never could. Know that I can, but nobody else is good as you. Need you to stay, need you to stay, stay, stay. So yeah, that is the end of this guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. You will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. So good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.